What's up, everyone? American Gamesman, and my name is Chris, and on today's video I'm going to be taking the canoe out to the bridge, trying to catch some groupers first, then some snook with my boy Eric. It's about 5 a.m. right now, so we're going to try to get out there early and catch them up, see what we can put on display for you guys. Hope you enjoy. Go. Beautiful Sunday morning, going after the bridge donkey. Getting off this time. Let's see if Eric can catch another monster snook out here. Gotta get some big baits. Might get some storms rolling in here. You got the shrimp?
Oh shit.
Right there, right there.
Forgot it. Is it on? Something's beeping.
I don't know. Oh, got it.
You got him?
Big one. Trying to catch bait and we caught a porkfish. Ornamental. Like you put this in your aquarium or something. It's trying to make love to me.
Bro, that shit was bending.
Oh. Did he get ate up?
Yeah, he got tagged.
Oh, bro.
Look at the side of him.
Oh! Lacerated, bro. The monsters are down there.
Oh, God. What the fuck was that? It's probably a shark, bro.
Is he still swimming?
I don't know. I'm throwing him down, though. Bro, I fucking seen the pole go like... I'm like, what the fuck?
Fuck! Look at that water snake! Oh shit, that was big!
Yeah, bro. I thought he was gonna fucking
Bro, this is a real cut over here.
Alright, let's get our shit together first.
Wow, dude, bro, there might not be. Guys, we're in this cove right here. It's basically uncharted territory. You can't bring a big boat here. You can only fit a little canoe or maybe a little john boat if you or a little flat boat if you can push it. Oh, oh. Who's that? Snook. This is basically uncharted territory. About 100 degrees back here.
Yeah, bro, it's hot as a motherfucker. Yo, I feel that shit. I'm about to say something. I'm like, God damn. Feel the heat, boy.
It ain't over. It's blocking the straight wind.
We gotta get closer to those mangroves.
We're gonna drift into it. You got mullet, trying to catch a snook.
Just lost one already. Didn't have my GoPro on. Fucked up, and there's busting my balls over here. The mother
That was a big
fucker. Probably a big ass fucking channel cat. Fuck. Alright, enough, bro. Damn, I keep missing the big one.
Where'd you put him? Right there, right where I told you to, boy.
No, right over here.
Right
He was
here,
in
behind
this.
the
No,
cut.
he was in this current right here.
Right here.
See, that doesn't even. I wasn't even reeled up at all.
I wouldn't leave it that loose, bro.
That's why I was, bro. See, I wouldn't even have pulled it up. I don't know this pole like that.
Bro, trust me, if the snook hits it, you'll know.
I didn't feel anything.
There's no doubt about it. You'll know.
Just gonna let the line like that, and then tighten this drag. Tighten the drag, and then flip the bow over.
Like enough to where, look, like you just feel it. You know what I mean? Enough drag to put it on his fish where he's not gonna run because it's a fucking dock or nothing. Bro, you got 30-pound braid, you got 25-pound braid, and 30-pound fucking fluoro on there. The fish ain't going nowhere.
I didn't have it in my hand. We just lost. What do you got? Oh. Oh, yeah.
That's a keeper. That's 10. 8.
Yeah, lane snapper. Lane snapper, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, put it in there. Put it in there.
Oh, shit, grab it. Bro, there's snapper down here, bro. There's some snapper. Bro, I don't know what the fuck I was on,
Here.
but it was good. Don't throw him, don't throw him. We don't want to lose him. Put him up, put him in. Let's go.
Alright, hold on. I need.
That's a snap. Bro, that was awesome, bro. You know how awesome that is?
I know.
It wasn't awesome as awesome, but just cool, bro. The trick is, Chris, when they're
I was too close to
I know,
the.
but when the trick is, okay? Oh, fucking stop on the floor more.
Blooper.
Trick is, when they hit like that, and they're on, tighten up and pull is hard. Pull. Bro, trust your braid, trust your leader. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get them the fuck away from that shit. Because they'll wrap you up underneath.
Let me get the circle hook. Should I? Let me get a circle hook. You got one?
Fuck. As soon as you fucking do that, fuck. Oh, that was a nice fish too that you had.
Oh, that was a monster.
He's 0 for 2!
Bro, it's Stewart's that. Huh?
We find these little coves that nobody fishes. You know what I mean?
I know, but I'm saying, like, you can't find.
Everyone fishes.
No, in Jupiter, though. You can't. What do you mean? What?
Like overfish.
Yeah. Fishing pressure, yeah. It's huge. Here it's not. There's not that many people here.
But we haven't been fishing next to one person the whole fucking day.
I know. Yeah, well, if we were in fucking. You know how many people would be in Jupiter, like, at that sandbar, just like.
Yeah.
Fucking cops patrolling, you know, like, yeah.
Right.
Everybody gives their little kids their boats.
Right. I like Jupiter at night.
I know.
Only at night, you know?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright,
Get
so
another
should
one.
I go?
For the shrimp. Use some shrimp. Let's save those for the bridge, bro.
Oh, I haven't caught a monster though.
Look, unless you can reel. Bro, you lost your stuff. Come on. Third time's a charm. Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go. Alright. You live and you learn.
Alright, so I'm gonna put the drag at full right now.
Not full, but like, let me show you.
How many do we have?
How many you got left?
Maybe like 4.
Alright, save a couple.
We definitely have 4 or 3 left now.
Alright. Dude. Put that bitch under there. When they hit, you hit. Okay? Look at these motherfuckers.
It hurt us, bro.
When they hit, Chris, look, tighten your drag this tight, look. To where you can pull it.
My drag is way tighter.
Right there. Tighter.
My drag is tighter. That's as tight as it goes. That's how tight my drag was. That's how it was as tight as I was a monster, bro. I did. You didn't see me.
That was a fucking monster.
That was a
I know
monster.
it was a monster. I seen it. Where'd you throw that?
Huh?
Dog?
Me?
Yeah.
I threw it right there in the middle, and he fucking ran to the dog. Next time, no, but next time I'll let it, if I'm wrapped up. I watch Lawson though, if he's wrapped up though, he lets out drag a lot.
But don't get him. Pull him. I'm telling you right now, that's a fucking 30.
No, I know that, but he broke fucking, if it gets wrapped up, they're gonna break it.
I told you. The first thing they run for. Bro, you had 2 chances to come up with monsters. Come on, I want to hear no excuses. Better get one. Better get one. We need to go catch more bait. Heard?
No, after this, yeah.
Let's go to that little island.
Nah, it's way too deep. It drops off, yeah, it was just a normal jet. It's just an old jet. Back to the bridge with the mullet, some pinfish. See if we can catch another snapper. Who knows what we're gonna get here.
Take one hit, bro.
Yeah. I felt like that we should have been way closer to that. Yeah. That's where the snappers are at. Leave them in the water. You gotta get right up next to release that structure.